मेरा नाम नैनसुख भाई चमन लाल पटेल इस फिल्म में नाम याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, मुझे खुद याद नहीं रहता. You guys can call me Nano because I'm small, sweet and affordable. I'm playing a full Badmashi character he's a harami really. He's a very shameless character. He goes with any woman. He looks for the opportunity to patao women, and he gets that opportunity by in these situations with Madhavan and Bipasha because they break jodis. Then there's these fresh divorce hui, aunties, and he has his chance. Then also he is a narrator. He talks to the camera. He says, Sid and Sonali in love? Nahi, kabhi nahi ho jayega. And he talks to the audience about their own expectations of what's going to happen. Sort of a, calling back to a Khader Khan sort of film. What I do, people enjoy, and it's something I'm good at, naturally. And people are demanding that. When they see me on camera, they laugh, whether I say something or not. For now, at least, I just want to establish myself in Bollywood. And if I can do that through comedy, it's a great thing. A lot of actors are threatened by other actors. Oh, he's going to replace me, he's going to be that. But I don't threaten anyone because I have my own space in Bollywood. And what I do doesn't have any casualty on Bipasha or Madhavan. We can all be in the same space. I would only be afraid in getting typecast if what I was doing wasn't making people happy and I was stuck. I was never watching Bollywood films as a child. I don't want to really do something that's been done before. Also, the old style of things worked for that time, but it's a little too over the top now. People's sensibilities are a little more realistic. They don't need to be told this is funny. It just has to be funny. I was quite satisfied with what I had done because, yes, I have limits, I have an accent, I have things that I need to improve and I will improve over the time. I don't think about my career as it's going to go this way. Okay, now I got to be a star and I got to dress like this. It's nothing like that. It's about remembering who you are, giving it your all, and forgetting about the results. I have put my full sincerity in this project, given it my all, and I think in the end, quality is more important than the numbers. I've worked with Madhavan before in Three Idiots. We have a chemistry on screen that you can see and behind screen. So when we come to set, it is immediately comfortable. There's no ego there. I will trash him and he will immediately trash me back. And then when I worked on Players with Bipasha, I saw that she wasn't like many of these filmy stars, female stars. There was no sort of attitude. She would talk to everybody, and she could take a joke, which is it should be easy to do. Salted nuts that I bring from America, soy wasabi, smoked nuts, and they're always eating my nuts. They eat all of them. All my food is eaten by these guys. Madhavan loves to eat, but then my food is slightly healthy too. So Bipasha eats all my food. So actually, my whole salary is gone to their feeding these guys. Bipasha is always worried about her food and eating. She doesn't eat rice. She doesn't eat sweets. What do I bring to set? I bring sweets. I bring all sorts of things that these people will not eat. So that they're always, oh, I want that. Oh, why did you bring that? I'm always trying to get under their skin. फिल्म से मेरे सब एम्प्लॉइज़ वो भी सब सिर्फ हिंदी में बोलते हैं और मैंने थोड़ा सा सीखा 2 साल हुआ है लेकिन जितना मैंने सीखा वो कम लगता है. I am who I am. I can't change who I am, but I can always improve.